Blank page, no worries. Let's tape it up. And we're gonna do a surface pattern design by hand. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I already, to save time, sketched out ladybugs roughly all over this page by pencil. And now I'm taking scarlet colored watercolor paint and I'm loosely adding color. As you can see, I'm not concerned about filling in the ladybugs. I just want to add red paint on top of every ladybug that I drew out. Just this very loose, abstract kind of surface pattern design, or however you want to look at it. And now I'm taking the scalpel, the paint scalpel, and I want to add thicker, darker scarlet red paint on top of the loose watercolor look, just to give it some more kind of depth and, again, abstract, loose design on the page. Having fun here, nothing crazy. We're not trying to be perfect. And as you're going to see towards the end of this video, it's definitely far from perfect. All right, now I'm taking a pen, a 0.3 pen, and it's made for artist drawing, specific kind of ink pen for that. 0.3 is the weight, or the whatever you call it. But as you can see, I'm just simply circling loosely the outline of these ladybugs. I'm not trying to be perfect. I don't care that you can still see the pencil sketch underneath it. In fact, I sort of want that effect. And yeah, I am, you see me scrubbing on the side of the tape. That's because when you go over through paint, sometimes it gets stuck on the ballpoint pen, and then you can't draw, so you have to sort of like rub the paint off the pen and then start again. So that's what happened there. I was like, oh no. I actually had to use my finger to get some of that paint off there, but continue on and just fill up the page, just going over the outlines real loosely, and there you have it. Now, we ain't done yet. This is calligraphy gold ink. It's not really paint, it's called ink, but I like it because I can use it either to write with or to just add decoration onto my different artist type of works that I put together. It just adds a lot, glimmer. I like the glimmer and the shine and how it looks. So I decided to put the dots on there, and I decided to just take that palette knife, go over it again, and here we are. And now I'm gonna take the tape off, and here's where I screwed up. Whoop! I actually tore that edge. I was like, oh man. But no worries, because I have a secret weapon, and it's called glue. Yeah, baby, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just gonna glue that sucker right down and let it dry, and nobody will know the difference. There we have it. I hope you enjoy it. If you're into this kind of look and you're looking for a new type of decor for your home, check out my link in the bio. You can purchase this either for a pillow, bed sheets, wallpaper, any needs that you need for your home. Ciao!